Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, and I don't even know what week of my challenge it is. Since last week, I didn't work out once, and yeah, it hasn't been working out so good. So maybe this challenge is done. I'm not ready to give up though, so we'll see. But we did start homeschooling Risa, and so today I took Ria to school, took her to the park, came home, did some cutting, and then now she's cooking lunch for herself. Hey, no estás cochina. So she's cooking some pancakes for herself, and yeah, it should be done pretty soon. Sarah, our workaway, is gonna take over for me in a little bit, and then I gotta go shoot a wedding all day till about 8:30 at night. Mego should be done soon after I leave, so she's gonna take over for Sarah and try to teach Lisa something. Okay, let me turn this.
Celebrate the party, Papa. Yeah, Rita.
Cheese.
Best? Yeah.
Never have any Smyrna though.
Lisa, ya. 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 Es para el freno, vámonos. Es para el freno. No. Hey guys, it's Wednesday night. I'm getting ready to cook some dinner. I'm probably gonna make some hamburgers since I defrosted some ground beef and ground pork. So I have a recipe in my channel if you want to check it out. I just got done with the wedding. I started out kind of late. Today was a busy day because remember, we started homeschooling Risa. So in the morning I did the whole school thing. We went over some games, tried to get her to learn some letters, some numbers. Then I went shopping. I went to the commissary because for whatever reason we ran out of vegetables sooner than we did the last couple of weeks, and so I had to go replenish some vegetables, some fruits, but it wasn't too bad. I spent about 70 bucks, and the most expensive stuff was like some meat. I got some frozen meat, and so I bought from bulk, like a big piece of meat. So it's May 23rd, so we still have 7-8 more days, one more week for the end of the month, and I still got about $110 left on my $600 budget. I think I would have had more left over if it wasn't because of the processed food that we bought from Costco, the chips, the crackers, and all that. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to eliminate that from our grocery list. And so no more processed foods. So as I mentioned before, this is our busy season. So we're shooting weddings every day, and on top of that we have Risa to homeschool. So it does feel like we're busy, but I think I'm getting a little bit better at time management. That's another thing that I really need to improve on, but I think I am slowly but surely improving on it a little bit. And so, you know, little by little, we're kind of doing a lot of the things that we set out to do. I've been learning a lot from the Mr. Money Mustache blog, and it just kind of makes me realize how much money I've been wasting my whole life trying to, you know, keep up with the Joneses and all that. So I wish I could have known this information a long time ago so that I wouldn't have to worry about, you know, juggling all this. I could just choose to work and not, but it's better now at 37, almost 38 than at 60, you know, so, you know, silver lining to everything. I'm glad that I'm getting this information now. I know I haven't really been posting my meals just because I've been busy, but I'm coming up with a strategy that I think is going to allow me to just pump out videos and then hopefully high quality videos so that you guys are getting something from me instead of just, you know, a video of some meals that I'm cooking. So I do have a plan. I plan to share with you guys soon, and so stick around. Good morning. It is Thursday. A ver, hasta para allá para qué. ¿Qué estamos haciendo? Hable ahí. Dile. Estamos cocinando panqueques. Hazle. Estamos cocinando panqueques. Estamos cocinando panqueques. Ahorita estamos haciendo uno de. Right now we're making one made out of a teddy bear, and that's the one she wants. And then we're gonna make some duck ones.
Yo quiero comer teddy bear.
Okay, sácale. Hello, hello. It is Thursday. I am eating some pork rinds in Mexican sauce. I'm the only one eating because they ate already. And they're not hungry. And Megu's not hungry. And Sarah's not here. And I have a salad here that looks super delicious. And I'm going to eat that. And I also made, on top of this, because Megu doesn't like this, and since I thought she was going to eat a little bit, at least of something. Oh, and then we made paletas. We made paletas this morning with risa. So I also made some ground pork with zucchini, just in case they didn't want this. Hey, no, yeah.
Okay.
Come
Papi, yo tengo un ship.
A ver.
Hello, I have a ship.
No, no es un ship, es un sailboat. Good morning, guys. It is Friday morning. It's a really, really nice day in Kaneohe, which means summer's coming soon. I have a wedding right now, so if the weather's nice here in Kaneohe, there's a 90% chance that the weather's perfect over in Waikiki and Waimanalo, where I'm going today. So today, after I finish the wedding, I gotta go pick up Laura, who is from Germany. She's gonna be our next workaway. She's gonna be here for about a month. And then, so that's around 2. And then Sarah, our current workaway, she actually flies out tonight at 10 p.m. So it's gonna be our last dinner with her tonight. We're thinking about doing some hot pot, some nabe. I gotta go get some pork belly because that is the best with nabe. And I already got vegetables, so I'm not worried about those. I got mushrooms and tofu. So yeah, we're excited. Laura's coming. She seems really nice, really adventurous. She's coming from Costa Rica, where she's been for about 2 to 3 months, I think. And I'm excited to see how much Spanish she picked up. And hopefully she can practice with Ria and Risa. I feel really good today. I have a nice, even energy. I'm not hungry. I'm drinking my coffee right now. So today feels good. It's good weather, a good day. So later on tonight, we're gonna go to the Key Project here in Kaneohe. It's a community center, and then they're playing free movies. I did that before. I think the last one I showed was Coco. I forget what movie they're playing today, but so it's gonna be kind of tight to do the wedding, then pick up Laura, and then cook some nabe, go watch the movie, and then go take Sarah to the airport. I've decided that because I really do want to give you guys more content, that I'm just gonna shoot videos whenever I get the idea. Instead of planning it all out like I've been trying to do, I'll shoot the videos. I think I mentioned this before. I'll shoot it, and then if I miss anything or something's confusing, I'll ask you guys if you need me to clarify. There's a lot of ideas that I have for videos, and it feels like I'm missing out just because I've been overthinking. It might not seem like it because I know I can do better quality-wise, production value-wise, but yeah, I'm gonna work on that, and then I'll see you guys later. ¿Dónde vas a ir?
No sé.
¿Cómo se llama la escuela donde vas?
Rainbow.
¿Y qué haces en Rainbow?
Comer.
No.
Sí.
Clases de japonés. Enzo, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Enzo. No puedo ver. ¿Estás tomando video?
Espérate.
Este.
¿Qué estamos haciendo?
Waffle.
Good morning, you're on video. We're making keto waffles for the kitties. I messed up the first one. It's all good. Sí.
Yay, take your shoes off.
¿Qué?
Want to go on? No, no. No, empújame. No, empújame.
No me empujes.
No me empujes.
Thank you for watching, guys. Remember, I'm on a mission to retire early and travel the world with my family. So on top of my weekly vlogs, I'm also going to put videos on how I plan to generate money on the road, how I save money, how I become a minimalist, and anything that helps me reach that goal of early retirement. If that's something that interests you, please subscribe to this channel. Click right here to see the latest upload. Click here to see videos that relate to this video right here. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you can get notifications for whenever I upload new videos. And also, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.